Who cares? I don't give a fuck, bitch. Me not give a fuck what you want to do to yourself. That is not my business. Me no business you don't need. Anyone who want jump off of one cliff or do what no want to do. One less crosses in the world. Me not give a fuck. I'm not put my mouth a ground and talk. I don't care. I don't feel no way of food. I'm not going to come on TikTok and say, oh God, she shouldn't do that. If she go through depression, she should just go and go seek help. I don't give a flying fuck. I have no sympathy when it comes on to Uno. I don't care. I don't fucking care. Yeah, behave like say you know something about blood clot me. You don't know nothing about me, girl.
Anything when she have a fish, she drink.
You know I'm not tea for me, Anna. You want nobody on TikTok now not tea for me. Cause me no walk and tell people my business like Uno. Me tell people what I want to tell them. If me no want you know my business, you can't know. Me tell you what I feel like for tell you. If you want to use it and cuss me, that is your problem. It's me tell you, bitch. And any tea you want to think you have for me, you no drinking piss. Because you don't have no tea for me. All none of the comments I talk about this and that and I don't give a fuck what no want to say. Me so much to say that me say, that me mean. Me is a cancer. And that me say. Me cool like ice. Me not give a fuck in the world what no want to do. Anything what no want to do, I found no problem. Life nice. One thing me know, me not suicidal. So none of no big pussy girl on TikTok can't get me jump off of the blood clot building. None of the big pussy girl you so can't make me tie one rope and hang myself. Life nice. Fuck sweet.